Guys, do you need to spend a fortune on outdoor security? I think not. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, it's pretty annoying that in a world today when everything is getting so expensive, do you really have to spend a fortune on outdoor security? Well, take a look at this, guys. It's an outdoor security camera from Blurams. Now, before we get into it, Blurams sent me this for my honest review. And if you know me, guys, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. And guys, if you don't know Blurams, well, they make a ton of camera equipment, security camera, smart home camera, and even smart doorbells. So guys, let's open this up and see exactly what we've got. So guys, you got a whole bunch of stuff in here, including a power adapter, instructions, mounting guide, a mounting bracket, some fixings, a strange piece of tape, and the camera itself. First thing to note, this is plastic and lightweight. It has 4 built-in spotlights and 2 infrared lights, so this can record in the dark, also in full color, or you can use the infrared mode at night, which of course will be in black and white. We have a speaker and a little covered recess that houses the reset button and the micro SD card slot. We'll go outside in a bit, guys, to check the image quality, but for spec's sake, this camera has a 3 megapixel sensor which records at 2K resolution. The viewing angle isn't super wide, but it is 100 degrees, so you should get pretty good coverage. The camera also supports normal motion detection, human detection, and sound detection. And you can set an area of detection as well as the sensitivity, so that's pretty cool. Now, what was disappointing is I couldn't connect this to my SmartThings home automation and security system, but Blurams does supply an app which enables you to fully control the camera, get notifications, and you can record videos and play them back, as well as record stills and play those back too. So, checking that out, I can say it all worked pretty well. Now, as I said, there was an SD card slot, so recordings can be done locally. Alternatively, Blurams also has a cloud facility, so that's an option also. As if you want to, you can have this camera recording 24/7. So, you know, if you want to do that, then storage wise, you're probably better off going up to the cloud. Now, I mentioned a speaker. Well, actually, this camera has 2-way audio, so you can speak through it as well. Maybe tell the delivery man to leave your package somewhere safe, or tell a would-be burglar that you'd better leave before the police arrive. Or maybe something a little more sinister. Or you can simply play those would-be burglars a very loud alarm with flashing lights. Anyway, you get the point, right? Now, quick look at the app, guys. Well, this could be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Setup is easy. Open up the app, click the plus sign to add a new device, select the Outdoor Lite 4 camera, and follow the screen prompts. Now, I had to try a few times because you've got to point the camera at this barcode, a QR code actually, and it took a while to set up. But once it was set up, it was all good. And from this app, you can change things like image quality, take a snapshot, manually record video, and turn on and off audio. You can also scrub through playback. You can choose cloud or local SD card storage, and at the bottom you have the alarm button and the talk button. At the top right you have all of the settings. Now, there are a lot of settings, but for me the only ones that I was really interested was notifications and the types of detection. So guys, let's go outside, take a quick look at the image quality and see how this looks. So it's not particularly bright today, but anyway, this is the quality. It's okay, it's sharp enough, but lacks a little color and depth. I mean, it's only a 3 megapixel sensor at 20 frames a second, but it captures all you need. Back indoors, guys, and I wanted to give you an idea of the quality of the picture in the dark. So my studio is in a basement, so when there's no lights on, it's pretty dark in here, and the quality would be about the same as it would be if you were outside. Looking at the quality, again, you kind of got the same unsaturated colors, and it's not quite as sharp as you'd like, but again, it's good enough. Of course, you could use the infrared setup to give you black and white night vision, but again, the quality of the image is going to be about the same. So guys, there you have it. This little camera is pretty capable, and at around £43, it's very cheap. And if you were to get this now, or at the time that this video is being published, on Amazon for a limited time, it's about £33, which £33 for a security camera that is fully featured, that's a bargain. My only downside, which I guess is more personal to me, is that I don't like the fact that you got to plug it into the mains, right? This thing is Wi-Fi and wired network connected, and I feel the same would have been better for power. Anyway, you know, I'm always dubious about power being cut and then you got no security. So for me, you know, I would have preferred it to have been battery rechargeable, battery driven, but maybe that's something for the future. Obviously, Blurams do have battery powered cameras as well, but it would have been a nice touch on this one. But that said, £33 today, guys, plus I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. It's an absolute bargain. If you've got any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Blurams for sending me this neat little camera. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.